In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to text gradient in Webflow. We'll start by heading to your Webflow workspace and opening the site's dashboard. This is where all of your projects live, so take a moment to find the site you want to work on. If you're in the right place, you'll see your list of sites and the familiar Webflow interface. The goal is to get into the designer for the specific project where you want gradient text. Next, click on your website to open it. This launches the designer, which is where you'll actually make the style changes. Give it a second to load the canvas and your page structure. If your project has multiple pages, make sure you're on the page where the text you want to style is located. Now click the text you want to apply the gradient to. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or a specific span of text within a heading. With the text selected, look to the right-hand side and open the Style panel. This panel controls how the element looks, including fonts, spacing, and backgrounds. If you don't see the panel, ensure the element itself is selected, not a parent container. In the Style panel, scroll to the Background section. This is where you'll add your gradient. Backgrounds in Webflow can be layered so you can stack multiple fills and control their order if needed. For gradient text, we're adding a background layer that will give the visual effect you're after. Click the plus button next to Image and Gradient. This adds a new background layer to your selected text element. You'll see options appear for the type of background, and you can immediately start customizing how it looks. Choose the type of gradient you want. You can pick from an image, a linear gradient, a radial gradient, or a color overlay. Linear gradients are great for a left to right or top to bottom blend and work well for headings and hero text. Radial gradients create a circular fade from the center outward, which can be a striking effect when used sparingly. If you prefer a simple tint or a single color background effect, choose a color overlay. Adjust the colors, angle, and position of your stops until the blend feels intentional and readable. Keep an eye on contrast to ensure your text remains accessible and easy to read. If the effect doesn't seem to apply as expected, double-check that the text element itself is selected, not its wrapper, and preview the page to see the gradient in context. You can also test different screen sizes to confirm it looks good across breakpoints. And that's it. You've applied a gradient through the Backgrounds panel, giving your text a polished, modern look in just a few steps.